The practice area, kart staging area, and driving range has seen a significant amount of construction over the past week. Crews are busy removing old turf, digging berry pits, mapping out the kart staging area. Gordon Lewis has been on site numerous times working in this area to make sure everything is just the way he wants it. Crews are also working on 6 green and 9 green as well. A lot of areas in the driving range are having dirt soil hauled to them as we work to create better target greens along the driving range to give more definition as you're hitting off the driving range tee. A new nursery green will be built in the existing location of the previous nursery green. We'll also have some leveled area of turf grass maintained back here to use as a living sod farm on property. That way we don't have to order pallets of sod every time we need a little piece.